Good morning, students. Now I will explain you literacy rate. Which lesson we are explaining? We are discussing the people literacy rate. In previous class, last class, what we discussed sex ratio. Okay, now as per 2011 census, India sex ratio 943. So just one correction. I thought I said 940, 943. Okay, na? Sex ratio we discussed, data we discussed regarding sex ratio. Haryana 879, Punjab okay 895, then Andhra Pradesh 993, then Kerala 1034, then USA 1050. Textbook all data given. Once you go through, then literacy rate. Okay. As per 2011 census generally taking every 10 years. Okay na? As per recently 2011, okay na? Census taken. So 2011 census given one definition regarding literacy rate. A person aged 7 years and above who can read and write with understanding of any language. Okay na? So that person is considered as literate. A person aged 7 and above who can read and write with understanding of any language, that person is considered literate person. Definition is very important. Once go through this definition. Do you understand the literacy definition? Then which year we got independence? Even a kid will give the answer. 1947. Okay. Here our point is, by that time literacy rate of India is 12%. Okay na? 12%. Then at present, as per 2011 census, literacy rate of India 74.04%. 74.04%. 1947, 12% literacy levels presented, registered. 2011 India literacy rate 74.04. Literacy rate indicates it is a socio-economic aspect. What is this, sir? What is socio-economic aspect, sir? Suppose literacy levels are good, then it indicates a development of that particular country. If you go west side, western countries, or else if you go European countries, then these countries well developed. England, Germany, okay, then France, Italy, these countries well developed. Their literacy levels are 100%. But our country literacy levels are even at present we have backward when compared to the European countries. At present, literacy levels of India 74.04. In India, how many states we have? 28 states and 8 union territories as per present data. Okay, na? Among those, okay, so Kerala, okay, na, maintaining the highest literacy levels, 93.13%. Okay, lowest literacy levels, second place Lakshadweep. Then lowest literacy levels Bihar. Okay, 93.93, 63.16. Bihar literacy levels are very low. Do you understand? Up to now we discussed the definition of literacy rate. Then 1947, by that time India literacy rate, okay, 12%. 2011 74.004. Then in India, Kerala having the first place in terms of literacy, 93.93. Last place Bihar. Andhra Pradesh 31st place as far as the literacy levels is concerned. We are also very backward. Okay, do you understand? So Andhra Pradesh literacy rate 67%. 67%. Do you understand? So that literacy levels are very important. If a particular state or particular country having educated people, in all aspects the country will develop. Kerala, in all aspects they are developing well. They will even who are maintaining the shops, they will speak very good English because education levels are very good. Kerala, these numericals showing the development of Kerala, isn't it or not? Tell me. So this is all about literacy rate. So that literacy rate is very important for any country's perspective. Do you understand this one? Then we'll go through, and now I am going to explain about working age. Already age, while discussing age structure, then we just gone through age, groups, different groups in that structure. So topic is age, working age. Working age. So generally, who are in the ages between 15 to 59 years, that group is called as working age group. Any country's perspective, working age group is very important because they are earning, they are supporting country. Okay na? Country also generating income through this group, isn't it or not? So children comes under which category? 0 to 15. Okay na? Below 15 years, 15 to 59 working age, then 59 and above old age. So working age again divided into 4 groups. Number 1, cultivators and farmers. Cultivators and farmers. Then agriculture laborers. Working in household industries. Workers working in household industries, other workers. Just now I told you this age group is very vital for country's development perspective. Which age group? Working age group, who are who are surviving between 15 years to 59 years. Those persons comes under working age category. They are earning the money, GDP, everything dependent on this age group. So this age group people again divided into 4 groups. Number 1, cultivators and farmers, agriculture laborers, workers in working in household industries, then other workers. Okay, then cultivators and farmers, those who are having own farmland are taking farms as rent and doing farming, those people comes under this category. For example, you fathers having own land, they are doing farming. If they are not having any land, then they are taking farms, okay, na, on rent and doing the farming and earning some money. These people comes under cultivators and farmers category. That means some farmers having their own land, but few farmers are not having their own land. By that time, what they will do? Okay, na? They will do the cultivation by taking land as rent. Okay, na? On the basis of rent, they will take the land and they will continue the farming. Then agriculture laborers, these people not having own land. Okay, na? These people, agriculture laborers, are not having own land. They are going and practicing agriculture related labor activities in the farms. Those people comes under agriculture laborers, okay, na, category. They are getting wages every day. If they perform any, okay, na, work, cash or kind, they will get the wages. Do you understand? Okay, na? Cash or kind, they will get wages. Who? Agriculture laborers. They are also earning money. These people also earning money. Okay. Next one, workers working in household industries. Some people, okay, na, performing household industries. Household industries means what? Potters. Okay, na, they are making pots. Okay, na. Then somebody doing matchsticks in the house area. Okay, na. Then small shops, somebody running. Okay, na. Then such a way, some people are running household industries. Okay, na. Such a way, they are earning the money. Do you understand? Then other workers who are working in a company or else somewhere else, okay, na, who are performing trading, those people comes under other workers category. In all categories of workers, okay, na, they are getting the money, isn't it or not? These are all, okay, na, included in which group? Then working group. Okay, na, 15 to 59. Do you understand? So today we discussed about, first initially I explained you regarding the literate, okay, na, literacy levels. So definition I explained you, literacy definition I explained you. Afterwards I taken working age, okay, na, working age again divided into 4 groups. These 4 groups of people, okay, na, are earning money and they are, okay, na, supporting India in terms of forward. They are okay, na, taking India to forward and earning money. Okay, na, such a way these people are very important for development of a country. Do you understand?